7, 6, 7 हम लोग 3 और 4 years के CoComelon देखते हैं ना. The beast is crazy. Pistol is one of the most powerful guns. I would have dollars and he would have rupees, then still he would have 10 times more.
So who will participate in World War III?
I want you to have those in your life.
Yes!
More myths are out there waiting.
हाँ चल ठीक है.
ठीक
हाँ
है,
तो
ठीक
फिर
है.
सुना कि जब 2020 था ना
हाँ.
तो तब तू कितने इयर्स का था?
तब मैं
हाँ जरा कैलकुलेशन कर कितने इयर्स का था?
I'm about to finish. When I'm like second, I'm totally finished.
3 इयर्स का था तो फिर तब तू मेरे साथ बैठता था रोज रात में और पता अपन क्या करते थे? कलर्स सिखाती थी मैं तुझे, नंबर्स सिखाती थी मैं तुझे और नर्सरी राइम सिखाती थी मैं तुझे. हाँ और फिर तुझे बहुत मजा आती थी. और फिर तू क्या देखता था यार मेरे फोन?
CoComelon.
कोकोमेलन देखता था.
सब लोग 3 और 4 years के CoComelon देखते हैं ना.
अभी तुम्हारी जनरेशन में तो हाँ.
ठीक है.
हाँ
According to me, CoComelon I think has reached around 1 billion likes.
Oh my god. Likes or subscribers?
Likes.
Likes.
No, I think it has reached 2 billion likes because I remember in past number once when I was watching YouTube, I saw it's nearly reaching to 1 billion. I think it was before 3-4 months that.
Oh. तो 3-4 months में 2 billion हो गए होंगे ऐसे तेरा point है.
So I think it has reached 2 billion likes.
2 billion likes. Oh my god.
I want you to have those many likes.
Yes. You are my true brother.
But I think Mr. Beast has more.
Of course, Mr. Beast has more. Mr. Beast कब से content बना रहा है?
पता है?
हाँ बता.
मेरे को लगता है कि वो 2002 से है.
तुझे पता है क्या मिस्टर बीस्ट ने नया वीडियो डाला अभी जो उसने बहुत पहले पब्लिश कर दिया था कि
10 years वाला.
हाँ देखा ना तूने, तुझे पता है.
Oh my god.
पता
और फिर मैं वो 10 years का में क्या हुआ था?
हाँ अरे तो उसने ऐसे फ्यूचर का पोस्ट डाला था. नहीं फ्यूचर में पब्लिश होगा ऐसे पोस्ट डाला था. तो उसने शूट किया था 10 years ago.
Have I filmed from 10 years?
Yes.
Mr. Beast is crazy.
Yeah.
And you know that he had reached $1 billion. If I would have dollars and he would have rupees, then still he would have 10 times more. Did you know that?
You are very smart.
Tell you what smart is
Okay, give me more facts. See facts like this that will blow my mind.
blow your mind.
Okay, tell the camera.
That- okay.
What trend did you teach me today?
Okay, most Gen Alpha people already know this.
Yeah.
6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6,
And
7.
I didn't know this, right?
ठीक
Oh
है.
no, and one more. कौन सा वो
It
नाम
was
है?
made on the Teachers' Day. There is a myth that it was made because the Teachers' Day holiday was the longest of this year, and then the Teachers' Day holiday was on 6th and 7th. 6, 7.
Oh. And what about that Nadia
There is a
trend?
myth, and there is a myth that one football player that became first right now, he one of the first or the second or third was the 67th best player.
Oh.
More myths are out there waiting. There are these many times these many more myths.
Okay, give me more.
Equals to 100.
Okay, give me more facts.
More
Yeah, facts that will blow my mind.
blow your mind.
Yeah.
That a pistol is one of the most powerful guns.
Okay. Wow. Why do you know this?
YouTube, a pistol is more powerful than those shotguns.
Okay. What are the different types of guns you know?
I know this gun, a machinery gun.
Okay.
It's like this if you want to make it. It shoots 4 bullets per second.
Oh my god. Okay. This is a machinery gun.
And it shoots triple the power of a normal gun.
Okay. Who uses a machinery gun?
World War countries.
Okay.
The countries who participate in World War.
Hmm.
Maybe I think New Zealand. No, not New Zealand. Switzerland might not participate in World War Three.
So who will participate in World War III?
I don't know.
What is your guess?
Maybe USA,
And?
North Korea, South Korea,
Okay. And?
Russia, Ukraine, India, Pakistan,
Oh, okay.
India, China,
Okay.
China, North Korea, Russia, North Korea,
Oh my god, okay.
Japan, South Korea,
Valid.
India, South Korea.
Okay.
Hmm.
My god, where did
Now-
you get all of this
Now this
information?
is a lot in Asia. I think I should travel to Europe.
Okay.
I already told Russia, Ukraine.
What about Israel, Iraq?
Maybe UK.